I'm not
Oh,
competing with anyone.
so
If
this
you
is how
reached
it's
there
going to
before me,
be. I want to
congratulations.
quickly
Life is an express
say
road,
this. We're
and
starting a
overtaking is
series, and this
allowed.
series is going to be called Import a Product from China with Mercy. I don't know, maybe somebody in the comment section can just suggest something different, but that is what I think I should call it. If you think otherwise, write it in the comment section so that so I'm going to be documenting the process. A client reached out to me this week and needed a product from China. I quoted for her and she sent me the money. So I'm going to document the whole process. I sourced the product from Pinduoduo. This week, 1688 has been misbehaving. I don't know what happened. Whether it's a network hitch or whether it's a network glitch or it's just something they want to do. I don't know. So, but usually when it is maybe one or two products, I like buying from Pinduoduo. And if I want to buy from a supplier, I will let us know. But this particular product, I'm buying it from Pinduoduo and it is a dehydrator. I'll show us the video of the dehydrator subsequently. So I want you to be my accountability partner. That's why I'm documenting the whole process from sourcing to payment to local shipping. Local shipping means from the supplier to the shipping company. But because I told the owner of the product and she said she needed the best quality, because the product she actually sent to me is a branded product. That's is a US product. It's a US based product, a dehydrator that have been branded for a US company. So I told her that no, I'll not buy that brand. I'll buy you a Chinese brand and or an unbranded brand, but I'll make sure that it is of the same quality with that quality that you are looking for in US. So she said no problem. I told her that, but in for me to be able to achieve that, we need to inspect the product in China, which is actually what most people don't like. They say, no, I don't want inspection because inspection comes with extra cost. So, but when I told this customer, she said no problem, that she wants her product inspected. So she paid for the procurement and then for the inspection charge. So the inspection charge, I'll forward the money to the inspection agency that is based in China that I use whenever I want to do inspection of my product, because most shipping company, they don't inspect the product. The way they receive it is the way they package it and send out to Nigeria, whether it's complete or not. It is when you have already received it in Nigeria now that you will now start all the back and front, what I order versus what I got. So that was what actually led me into partnering or collaborating with another company, an inspection agency in China that helps me to do the inspection. So these two dehydrator, because she actually paid for two dehydrators, I'm going to send it for that agency, my agency in China, that will help me to inspect it before they ship it. So I'm going to be carrying us documenting all that processes here starting today. Today I'm going to make the payment. As I'm making the payment, I will video it and I'll post it here. But I'm just here to tell us that you should be my accountability partner. If I forget to post the next stage, please remind me. The stages involve the payment, which I'm going to do today, and I'm going to post it. So the payment is going to be today. Then after the payment, the local shipping will take it to that inspection agency that will inspect the product right there in China, so that if there is any fault, I will tell her the specification and specification are not being met. She will notify me, do video, and will return it and I'll collect my refund. But if the expectation is made, the inspection agency will send it now to my shipping company that will now ship it to Nigeria. I want to use a shipping company that is based in Onitsha. They are fast. I don't like blowing their trumpet. This shipping company, once you blow their trumpet now, they'll start misbehaving. But they are fast, so I'll just use them. So what the inspection agency will do for me is that they will inspect the quality of the product I've listed for them. If it is up to standard of what I wanted and they mark it good, I will ask them to consolidate it. What I mean by consolidation is that they should pack it together. Remove all the unnecessary things. Then there are some small things I will buy that I will ask them to put it inside that dehydrator. There's space inside the dehydrator, so I don't want that space to waste. I hope you're learning something. The reason why I'm documenting this is so that you can learn something. I don't want that space that will be inside there to waste. So because of that, I am going to buy small thing. I'm going to look for hot products that are here in Nigeria that I will buy, and then I will ask them to open the dehydrator and pour it inside. So by the time the thing comes in, that product that is inside there will be another set of profit. Those are the smart way of doing importation. So join me, let's go on this journey. If I did not post any process, any of the phases, please let me know. The phases is payment, inspection, local shipping from my inspection agency to the shipping company. Then the shipping company will now ship it down to Nigeria, and I will go to Onitsha. Even the day I will be going to Onitsha to pick it, I will let us know. I will video the process. Now let's get on this journey. Are you ready? Are you ready to follow me on this series of import a product from China with Mercy? It's going to be a series. Any product, like this week too, I'm going to import a phone for a client. So we are also going to do import a phone from China with Mercy. It's going to be a series. Any product I'm going to be importing, I'm going to do a series. We'll follow through. The only difference is that this dehydrator is going to be sea shipping, while the phone is going to be air shipping. So we are going to be seeing how many days or how many weeks or how many months it took the dehydrator to arrive Nigeria, and we'll also check how many days or how many weeks it takes the phone to arrive to the owner. Come, let's go on this journey.